Hello viewers, welcome to Maths with Excel, addition of many numbers. Example, 3,152 plus 865 plus 512 plus 69 plus 17 plus 5. In Excel, you can do this in two ways. The first approach is like normal manual addition. The second is the use of Excel special function of sum. The result will be here. For the first approach, the numbers are in column head K. So if I click on the first number, you will see the address here in the name box K2. That is column K, row 2, and the number itself in the formula bar. In Excel, to carry out any calculation, you begin with equality sign. That helps Excel to understand that you want to carry out a calculation. To begin, you double click on the cell to show off the cursor. You enter equality sign. So let's open brackets. Going by the manual approach, you click on the first number like typing it, but its address will show. That is K2 plus the next number K3 plus the next number K4 plus the next number K5. That is the address now for 69 plus 17. Its address will show plus 5. Its address will show. You close the brackets. To get your results from your keyboard, you touch the enter key and you have the result to be 4,620. In the second approach, the use of the Excel special function of sum. You also begin with the equality sign. You double click on the cell to get the cursor. You enter the equality sign, then you type the sum function. You open bracket, but here you highlight all the numbers. They are in column head M. So you have M2 to M7. You close the bracket, you touch the enter key from the keyboard to get the result, which is the same. So these are the two ways to add many numbers in Excel. Pittacus Simplified Maths. If you get any value from this lesson, which I believe you did, subscribe or follow for more amazing lessons and updates in any of the platforms you are viewing from. Thanks and goodbye.